Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your profile picture on Threads. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open the Threads app and tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner to get to your profile page. From your profile page, tap Edit Profile. Now tap your current profile image. You can now choose to upload a new profile photo or import one of your images from Instagram. For this tutorial, I will upload an image from my gallery. Select the image you want to use, or tap Photo to take a new photo. You can now crop your image. After that, tap the arrow icon at the top right. If you wish, you can now apply filters and edit your photo before saving. Once you are done, tap the arrow button at the top again. Your Threads profile picture has now been updated. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Threads tips and tricks.